Hello everyone, hope you all guys are healthy at your home. Dear students, today we are going to discuss physical education class 11 unit 6 and our today's topic is the types of adventure sports. These days there are many types of adventure sports, but we are taking some of the popular adventure sports. So the first is rock climbing. First is rock climbing. What is rock climbing?
Rock climbing is an activity in which participant climbs up or down or across natural rock formation. The goal is to reach the summit or top of the formation or the end point of a predefined route without falling. To successfully complete a climb, one must return to base of the route safely. Rock climbing is physically and mentally demanding sport. It often tests the climber's strength, endurance, agility and balance along with mental control. Means we must need these things like strength, endurance, agility, balance, and mental control also. There are some equipments for rock climbing. Rock climbing is a dangerous activity. Thus, proper knowledge of climbing techniques and usage of specialized climbing equipment are required for safety, such as climbing shoes, climbing chalk, climbing rope, harnesses, clippers, belly devices, bolts, hexes, climbing helmet, safety belt, safety hooks, etc. Rock climbing is a dangerous and a risky sport, so every rock climber must have the knowledge of its equipments, because only equipments can save from the danger and risk. Means good knowledge of equipments can save the life of a climber. So this is all about rock climbing.
So next is trekking. Trekking is one of the famous adventure sports all around the world.
So let's know about trekking. Trekking is a long adventurous journey undertaken on foot in areas where common means of transport are generally not available. Trekkers should use natural resources and consider safety principles. The trekker should enjoy the mother nature and suit the scenic beauty. The trekker should not spoil or disturb the nature, whereas fauna and flora should be appreciated. There are some equipments for trekking. The trekker should prepare properly for the trekking, and they should carry important required materials like tent, sleeping bag, water bottle, mug, pen, rope, safety kit, first aid kit, trekking map of area, knife, backpack, etc. These important things are very important for the safety of a trekker.
So next we will talk about river rafting.
River rafting is also named as whitewater rafting. It is challenging recreational outdoor activity using a boat or raft to navigate over the flow of river. Raft is lightweighted, multi-layer rubberized boat filled with air. Its chambers enabling it to float on water. This is unusually done over fast flowing river or stream in order to provide thrill and excitement to rafters. The development of this activity as leisure sport has become popular in Himalayan rivers. This activity is dangerous if safety measures are not considered. Equipments for river rafting. The requirement for this activity is safe raft, swimsuit, life jacket, raft pose, knowledge of swimming, and following the expert or lifeguard's instruction. Knowledge about river flow and its curve, safe destination point, etc. Anyone can enjoy river rafting with the help of these equipments and important things.
So these are the common things you must know about the swimming. Follow the instruction of lifeguard or coach, okay, and the safety jackets and extra, so many things. So before doing any adventure sport, we must know about the rules of that sport. We must know about the safety equipments of that particular sports. Okay, so the next is mountaineering.
Mountaineering or mount climbing is an age-old activity or climbing up or scaling the steep slopes of a mountain slide in hopes of reaching the summit or top. Nowadays, it has turned up as sports, hobby or profession. Mountaineering began as attempt to reach the highest point of climbed or unclimbed big mountain. Mountaineering is branched into three parts: rock craft, snowcraft and skiing. Mountain climbing involves numerous activities such as snow, ice or rock climbing, snow camping, backpacking, etc. Mountaineering requires lot of experience, athletic ability, high altitude training, technical knowledge to maintain safety. Equipments for mountaineering. It also required specialized tool and equipments like snow climbing shoes, snow cutter, hacks, axe, climbing rope, nails, harnesses, clippers, belly devices, trekking compass, bolts, python, safety belt, climbing helmet, safety hooks, and high energy packed food, etc. Every climber must have the knowledge of these equipments.
Okay, the next is surfing. What?
Good surfing board, swimsuit, life jacket, etc. It is very popular sports.
So this is all about surfing, and the last is paragliding. Paragliding is also very famous and popular adventure sport.
Let's know about paragliding. It is a recreational, thrilling and competitive adventure sports of flying with paraglider. Paraglider is a lightweight, free-flying, foot-launched glider aircraft with no rigid primary structure. The pilot sits in a harness suspended below a fabric wings consisting of a large number of interconnected and baffled cells. Wings shape is maintained by its suspension lines. By skillful exploration of source of lift, the pilot may gain height, often climbing to altitude of few thousand meters. The paraglider should follow the instruction of single lifeguard or should be accompanied by expert. He should consider safety measures during this activity. This is all about paragliding sport.
So these are the some important adventure sports which I told about. These all. Thank you. That's all for today.